What's up, foodies? Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious, smoky, fire-roasted salsa right in your pizza oven. It's super easy and it's packed with a ton of flavor. This recipe takes simple, fresh ingredients like tomatoes, red onions, jalapenos, and transforms them into delicious salsa by roasting them in a wood-fired oven. The heat and smoke of the pizza oven adds an incredible char and depth of flavor that you just can't get any other way. So let's get into it. Start by cutting 6 to 8 tomatoes in half. Pro tip, opt for ripe, juicy tomatoes such as Romas or vine-ripened tomatoes for the best flavor. Or if you grow them, take them right off the vine from your garden. The natural sweetness from these tomatoes is going to balance very well with the smoky char from the pizza oven. Then chop 1 onion into large chunks and cut 2 jalapenos in half. Now if you like a spicier salsa, leave the seeds in the jalapenos. And if you want a milder version, just remove the seeds and the membranes before roasting. Now if you want to add a few more jalapenos, or if you want to throw in some ghost peppers or habanero peppers, make it that much spicier, go for it. Now place the tomatoes, onions, and jalapenos into a bowl and add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Make sure you leave the skins on the garlic. When you keep the garlic cloves in their skins during roasting, it helps prevent them from burning and becoming bitter. And once roasted, the garlic will become soft and easy to squeeze out from the skins. Then drizzle the veggies with a 1/4 cup of olive oil and season generously with salt. Then toss everything together to ensure the vegetables are evenly coated with oil and salt. Next, spread your vegetables onto a sheet pan, making sure your tomatoes and peppers are skin side up. Now, depending on the size of your pizza oven, you might need to use 2 pans to accommodate all the veggies. Let's preheat the pizza oven and get it ripping hot. Now, normally I would heat up the oven with wood, but since I'm recording a video, it makes it a bit easier if I'm using gas. So normally I'd use wood, but today, just to make it simpler for me, I'm using gas. So do whatever works best for you. Again, wood fire is going to give you the best flavor. Now once your oven is hot, place the sheet pan in the oven and roast the vegetables until they're nicely charred. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Now depending on your pizza oven's design and heat distribution, you may need to rotate the sheet pans a few times during cooking. This is going to ensure all your vegetables get a nice even char. Also watch for hot spots and move the veggies as needed. Once the veggies are charred to perfection, remove from the oven and let them cool slightly. Transfer the veggies to a blender or food processor. Don't forget to remove the skins from the garlic cloves. Then add in 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and 1 teaspoon of salt to the blender. Then squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. Make sure you always use fresh lime juice here, never that bottle stuff. The fresh squeezed lime juice gives it the best flavor. Then add in a handful of fresh cilantro and blend the mixture on a low speed, pulsing to chop the veggies up. The goal is to keep the salsa chunky. Then taste your salsa and adjust your seasoning, add a bit more salt and pepper if needed. And there you have it, your fire roasted salsa is now ready to serve. Enjoy this salsa with your favorite chips or topping on tacos or grilled meats. It's a simple recipe and packed with a ton of flavor that's perfect for the summer months. If you make the salsa, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. I want to tell you about my new best-selling cookbook, The FOOD-DEE Odyssey, Totally Greek, which is now available. From mouth-watering moussaka to crispy cheese pies, every recipe is crafted with passion and love, inspired by years of working in Greek restaurants and my months of travels all over Greece. You can grab your copy in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a subscribe down below. And until next time, FOOD-DEE out.